Indulgent with something nice on there. Driving past the Margate pier, came across this. A little battle going on between the man and the fish. Looks as though for now the fish is going to lose. Trying to get him up through the gap there. Oh, there we go. There we go. What is it? Is it a cobby? Garrick. Yeah, nice big Garrick. Very nice big Garrick there, guys. And that's from the Margate pier. Very nice. Here it comes from this side. Oh, beautiful. Must be a good 15 kilos. Fantastic. Rightio, we managed to catch some nice shad yesterday, and there we have them, all filleted up and deboned, all the bones out. Bones, all as you all know, the bones sit here in the front of the fillet, so that's all cut out, and we've got some beautiful fillets there. So, you know, shad tastes a little bit wild. It's not like a bream. So just to kill that wildness, what you do is you just run it through a bit of white vinegar. Just a little dip like that. Into the white vinegar. Let that drip off. Get it onto your tray. Do the same with all of them. Into that vinegar, white spirit vinegar. It's all you need. Just for a little splish splash, little bath. You don't have to have them in there. Just run them through it quickly. You know, vinegar does cook the meat. And then lay them out on your tray. Beautiful fillets. Another one just through your vinegar, and this will take that wildness out of your shad. It will improve the taste. There we go, get that drip off. There we go with another one. Will we be able to squeeze another one in here? I don't think so. We're going to have to do another tray. But so after we've dipped those beautiful fillets into the white spirit vinegar, we're going to give it a lovely drizzle. Olive oil. Now remember, use the best olive oil you possibly can. You know it's good oil if it smells like a freshly mowed lawn. So there we go with a nice little drizzle. Just a little bit, not too much. Nice drizzle of olive oil on your fillets. There we go. Lekker. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt just for the flavor. There we go with the salt. Not too much. Oh, looks like we're going to be having rice with this as well. Right, and then of course, white pepper. Not black pepper, white pepper. Give it a nice little sprinkle. White pepper. Look at that. Look at that. Pepper gives it a special little flavor. And you can be sort of on the generous side with the white pepper. Look at that. So then we're going to add a little bit of butter, not margarine, guys, butter, to these beautiful fillets that Avi caught, or the fish that Avi caught. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to get that into the air fryer and only do that for about 6 minutes. 6 to 8 minutes. These are a little bit bigger, so I'm going to do them for 8 minutes. So that means we're going to set this we'll set this to a fish that's 180. It says 20 minutes, but we're going to bring that time down, and we're going to bring it down to 11 minutes because we've got a cold start. Okay, there we go. Look how beautiful that looks. That was set to 11 minutes, so when the oven is warm, I would say about 8 minutes, but you can test it for yourself, and that looks absolutely delicious. And then as soon as it comes off, got the kettle going crazy this side, and as soon as it comes off, get the lemon. Get the fresh lemon squeezed over the top of this fish, and that's going to make it even more delicious. Another piece of lemon. Oh, look at that. And that is the lemon. We leave that on the tray just for a little bit of color. How's that? Right, so we've got these delicious fillets out the oven. Beautiful already. They've all been lemon juiced up. Beautiful chips. They come from, where do these lekker slap chips? Lekker slap chips. They come from
not allowed to.
Ocean fish. And that buccaneers. Very, very nice chips. This is Avi's plate. Look at that. Look at that. You can give him half of a piece over there as well. Lovely. That's Avi's lunch. Avi provided the lunch today.
Only the fish.
Look at that. Look at that. A couple of chips there for Avi. Very nice. And a wedge or two of lemon. Jeez, now isn't that a fine lunch, eh? Heaven's sake. Look at that. Tell Avi's lunch is ready, see?
Yes.
Right, Avi, what do you think of your lunch today?
Yes, very good.
Yeah, and you provided that. Well done. Well done. Are you happy with that? And that's for the maid as well. So you both get a big plate of fish. Is this the first fish you're having in this house?
No, each and every time.
All the time.
All the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. Thank you very
Excellent.
much.
Enjoy it, eh? Enjoy it.
Can't wait.
Sure, chaps, look at this. We're just going to put a little drizzle of extra fresh lemon juice on that. A little bit over the chips. Wow. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that is done to perfection. Oh, that's done to absolute perfection. Look at that. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Succulent. Absolutely delicious. Give it a try. Oof, that was so delicious. Oh, look at that. There's a little chip here.